Hello everyone. So today's theme is what's in your flare toolbox. So it depends on what type of flare you're having. For me and my kids, if it's a flare due to not being dehydrated or not getting enough electrolytes, we like these Extend drinks. We use Extend because my daughter actually has a really sensitive stomach and she will throw up to certain things, including some of the breakfast drinks and stuff. So these she's been okay with, but we have to be very careful. I like to do this one and mix vitamin C in it. We actually use these on a regular basis, but we'll use it even more during when a flare is happening. I mix vitamin C in with this one because it makes it even more sour, and I like sour stuff. So if those don't work, we then go get some body armor drinks. Usually one or two will work for me, depending on how bad my daughter is. Sometimes it takes quite a few of them. But there's that. If it's because of digestion that I didn't get my pill in time for enough times and things have just built up, that's kind of a wait it out. And to deal with the repercussions of that, I will often use candy to balance out, to get my blood sugars up. So that's what I do if the cause is a digestive issue. If the cause is I've overexerted myself, I'm either mentally or physically or something, rest. Acknowledge to yourself that you do need more to heal than a regular person. And just allow yourself to take that time to heal. If it's a lower immune system, I use things that will raise my immune system. I increase my vitamin C, different things like that. As I start feeling it's coming on, or during high times when it's frequent in the household, different things like that. Another thing I found can help is probiotics. Things like kefir and kombucha drinks, things like that can help also raise your immune system. At least that's what's worked for me. And those, when I can use them regularly, I'm less likely to get sick. But they do take a lot of effort or a lot of money. So take that into consideration, because sometimes the effort is uses up more and enough energy that it actually reduces your immune system. So take that into consideration. So if I've overexerted a certain muscle, like I said, this one's really common with me, things like that, then KT tape is a huge one. Another thing is I try to keep physical therapy scheduled at least once a week. At least right now. The things we're working on change from week to week, and things are staying in place a lot more than when I first started in physical therapy, which to me is proof it's working. But that's there for if something happens. For instance, the day I got in the wreck, the last wreck I was in, I actually was scheduled in PT that day, in just a little while after the wreck. And that was hugely beneficial. It actually stopped in advance the flare that would have happened because of it. Had I not had PT scheduled, I would have been in more pain. Also on my channel, I have some moves and different things like that my physical therapist has taught me for if my hips are out, if certain things are out, what I can do to help with those, especially with my hips, to get those back in place. And I use those as needed also. And working with him, we found out I have a tight muscle right through here. And so there's certain stretches I can do too that can help that out. And then otherwise, if something's dislocated, obviously getting it back in place is huge too. And then usually doing light exercise to help the muscles realize that what they're supposed to be doing and hold it in. I hope that helps, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.